After a month of design and equal amounts of troubleshooting, I am proud to present the SHiB Stick Shift, a modular, CMOS, 595 compatible shift register that is now my ISP.
The logic of the SHiB stick shift is relatively simple. It's comprised of D flip-flops. D flip-flops are types of latches that when a clock is pulsed, it stores that kind of data. This can be arranged in series, where the data of one becomes the output, and that output becomes the data of next. Therefore, as you pulse the clock, you get a shifting effect. This shifting effect is exactly what a shift register is. Now, this is not much useful to us. What we must remember is that this is constantly changing, and quite useless, unless you want always changing data. That's where the latch comes in. Each one of the data is passed into the next, this is the latching segment. This is then pulsed to store that. Now this is free to change.
The PCB is comprised of 5 components. The first is the backplane, the PCB itself. It provides connection and support for all other components. The second is the female header on the right. This provides input. The third is the male header on the left. This provides output to the next PCB. The fourth is the most important. It is the brains. It is a CD4013BE dual CMOS D flip-flops from Texas Instruments. The final part is the male header. This provides the shifted data out. This is what makes it actually useful.
The code for the SHiB stick shift is comprised into 2 parts. The first part is the SHiB register file. This replaces the digital write and pin mode, respectively. This allows register level manipulation to replace the relatively slow and tedious versions of their high-level counterparts. The SHiB stick shift is a replacement for the generic shift-out function that is meant to be used with a 595. This provides a faster, more reliable, and lower-level version to replace it. It also uses the previous SHiB register code. The SHiB stick shift can function without a 595, as seen in the bottom, or with 595s, as seen in the top.